Hi guys, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show, where this morning I'll be showing you a video how I season my oxtail and the vegetable and spices that I add to it. All spices, the seasoning, the salt, the black pepper, the browning, oxtail seasoning, which maybe I won't use because this does a lot for the meat. Scallion, carrot, onion, pepper, bell pepper, thyme, tomato, and garlic. And I have a pound of oxtail. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is very educational. I'm going to prepare the oxtail to be washed before I season. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and add some water to it. And tip a little vinegar, maybe a teaspoon or two, to get rid of some of that raw flavor, the rawness. Please remember to wear gloves in this situation. Okay, there you go guys, I finished washing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my blended herbs and spices. You wanna massage that in. And then next I'm going to be cutting up the onions and the sweet potato that would be going in the stew along with the meat. You don't have to be doing this with one hand, so it's really difficult. The bowl is going to be sliding up and down. So I'm going to prepare the vegetable matters right now, the seasoning to put on it. Now guys, look at all the color from the different herbs. Carrots, the garlic, the bell pepper, the onion, the pepper, the scallion, the thyme. So I'm going to go ahead now and add this to my chicken to marinate it along with the seasoning. There you go. So I'm going to add my seasoning now. So check it out. Maggi allspice, a teaspoon, and maybe a teaspoon and a half. It depends on how much flavor the seasoning has, because some seasoning are stronger than some. So black pepper, pimento spice, maybe that's too much, but yeah, and the oxtail season. Now guys, because the oxtail season has in a lot of salt, I will not have to be using the regular salt in my seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead now and marinate it, massage it all in. And guys, please remember to wear your gloves because it's a lot of spice and stuff, and when you're preparing your meat you need to always wear gloves. And the next thing guys, when you get your grocery from the store, please wash your vegetables before putting them in the fridge, as you will prevent contamination or bacteria, because sometimes they come straight from the farm and they're washed and a lot of hands touch them, and they store in warehouse with a lot of insects and stuff, so you need to wash them properly before. I'm gonna add the browning. Whoa, I just hope that's not too much. So this gives it the brown color. Okay, there you go guys. So what you want to do now is leave it in the refrigerator to marinate overnight, or if you're preparing it in the same day or so, you just leave it for a couple of hours for the seasoning and the herbs to just blend into the meat for a better taste after it's finished cooking. So guys, I hope you love this video for me seasoning my oxtail. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.